Want to learn how to create an embossed Halloween gnome effect with the Procreate app? Look no further. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. Hello there, Stephanie here from My Prints Collection, the place where I share the best ways to use the Procreate app so that you can make money online. This is the final tutorial of the Halloween Gnome series for Procreate. In a previous tutorial, I shared how to use the automatic tool so that you can speed up the process of coloring your designs while using Procreate. And the second tutorial was how to create a quick and easy landscape for your gnomes. If you haven't and would like to watch the previous tutorials, the link will be in the description below. Let's learn how to create an embossed gnome effect with the Procreate app. Let's open the Procreate app. I'm gonna use a screen size canvas, so you click here on the plus size and select screen size. You can select any size that you want. So I'm gonna open this canvas over here, and I'm gonna have an empty layer. I'm gonna select a darker color, black. So if I tap here twice, it's gonna select pure black. And go to my brush library and select one of my Halloween gnome stamps. I'm gonna stamp it. I'm happy with this. I'm gonna select it and I'm gonna increase the gnome. So, okay, I'm gonna place it here. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna duplicate the layer, and the layer underneath with 2 fingers swipe to the right, so it's gonna alpha lock the layer. And this one is pure black. Duplicate and go to your color palette, tap here twice to select pure white, go back to your layers, and this one I'm gonna select fill layer, so it's gonna fill with pure white. So now with 2 fingers I'm gonna unselect these 2 layers. So starting with the black outline, I'm gonna select it, tap it just to make sure that it moves on the bottom right corner. I'm happy with this. I'm gonna go to the adjustments, Gaussian blur, and blur this a little bit, around 5%. And I'm gonna decrease the opacity a little bit if you want to decrease the effect or increase the effect. I think I'm gonna leave it at max. Now, selecting the layer with the white outline, I'm gonna tap out. I'm gonna select the layer and tap on the top left corner a little bit, just until you see a little bit of the outline. I'm happy with this. Unselect, click on your adjustments, Gaussian blur, and blur this a little bit. So I'm gonna go with 5%. So I'm happy with the result, but you can go to the layer and decrease or increase the effect of the layer. So I'm gonna decrease a little bit to 80%, and there you go. And with this video, we have completed the Halloween Gnome series for Procreate. If you missed any of the previous tutorials or want to check out the full Halloween Gnome stamp set for Procreate, the links will be in the description below. Question: did you see all the videos of this series? Let me know in the comment below if you did or didn't, and which one was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, happy drills and illustrations.